Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today we're making my Killer Love Valentine's themed Orca soap. So here I have my hard oils and my soft oils separated, and I've added my hot lye water to my hard oils to melt them using the heat transfer method. This can take a little while to melt all of the hard oils, especially if you're in a cooler climate, but just keep whisking. It helps if you use butters or coconut oil to have them chopped into kind of smaller pieces. But then just keep whisking and eventually all of your hard oils will melt. Here I'm going to add my liquid oils, just pouring them over a spatula to try and avoid getting any sort of bubbles or anything introduced into my batter, and then I'll whisk those together. You can see this batter is pretty yellow. This is a different olive oil than I normally use. The olive oil that I prefer to have was out of stock. So this is an extra virgin oil, which just gives that kind of brighter yellow color. I don't really like it, but I'm using a lot of blue dyes in this soap, so it kind of ends up balancing it out in the long run as well. Here you'll see me adding my mica to my separated out little pots. I'm doing 4 colors, so 1 shade in each pot. You'll see I have a lot of extra mica off to the side. I do make usually 4 to 5 loaves of these at once, and I like to batch all of my mica together so that it's consistent shades across all of the loaves. Here I am stick blending these a little bit just to make them thicker and make them set up a bit. Your batter does have to be a little bit sturdier to hold up the orcas. They're kind of heavy, so having it kind of a medium trace really does help. And for this design, I'm doing just kind of a pointy layers-esque inspired design, setting in my embeds kind of as we go. And here you can see I pour a little bit of batter onto the bottom fin of the whale. That's a spot that tends to get air bubbles, and so I found that I can combat that by just pouring a little bit of batter before I put it in the mold. So here I'm adding my next 2 colors, pushing in some more of these little heart embeds, just kind of staggering them around, and then my last color goes on top. Plop in my last couple of little embeds, and then time for a design on top. I'm just layering these 4 colors. I'm going to do a little swirl, kind of from light to dark, and then you'll see a neat little trick that I like to use for the tops of loaves sometimes as well, using a chopstick. So here I'm just swirling it back and forth, but then I'm going to turn my chopstick on its side and drag it, and you'll see it kind of makes this super smooth ombre gradient. I really like this for soaps where I'm going to put something on top of them, like little decorations or little embeds. I find it gives the top a really neat pattern when it's super smooth like that. And these are just little cut up bits of heart. Just one of the canes from the inside that I cut the ends off of, and I'm plopping them down on top and kind of tapping them in so that they lay flat. And then you'll see I come back in a second and add a few more because there wasn't enough. And then these give just a cute little decoration on top once the bars are cut, something for everyone to see. So up next is the cut, and then you'll see some finished products at the end. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit subscribe if you like the video.